Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. The Chinese born virus, COVID 19 or coronavirus, is really putting life at risk. It is killing people. It has reached every nook and corner of the world. The economic stability of India is also being threatened by this virus. The GDP downfall is here. So the economic stability or capability of India is being threatened by this virus because economic activities related to life are shut, partially they are shut. So in these days of pandemic, we have to be extra careful and extra watchful in all walks of life. And first of all, we need to save our lives. And second importance is to your career, that is your academic career. Your examinations are scheduled in the month of November, for which the board has issued a notification. So better move is to remain confined to the books, where you can prepare the things and also can defeat the COVID-19 infection by sitting in home quarantine or home isolation. Dear students of class 12th, subject political science, today we are dealing with one more important topic in your political science, that is accession of Junagadh. Dear students, finally the partition plan was hit and it took the religious color, and there were the princely states in India numbering 562, 565 or 522. Some books mention different numbers. And these princely states were of two types, one under the direct control of the British, and some were ruled by Indian princes. They were less or more independent. So two types of states were there, the British princely states and Indian princely states. Indian princely states were those states that were ruled by the Indian princes. They were less or more independent. And Junagadh was a princely state in Gujarat ruled by Babi Muslim dynasty in British. When partition plan was hit, every ruler was given perhaps only two options, whether to join Pakistan or to join India, whether to accede to Pakistan or accede to India. So only two options were left. But some books mention that there were three options, either to join Pakistan or India or remain free. In Junagadh, 80% population was Hindus. 80%, remember, 80% population was Hindus, but the rural was Muslim. The Muslim ruler wanted to accede to Pakistan, and he finally announced that I have acceded to Pakistan. This perhaps went against the wills of the people, and they revolted against the Nawab there, Diwan there, who was forced to leave India and flee to Karachi. So the Diwan of the Junagadh was left with no alternative except to invite India to take the administration of the state. On 10th of November 1947, the Indian government took the administration of the state, but this was not the way for the accession. So in order to bring the accession plan, or we can say the accession criteria, to the reality, on 20th of February 1948, a plebiscite, that's the referendum, was done, in which the majority of the people voted against the Pakistan and against Pakistan, and nearly 99% people voted in favor of India, that Junagadh should accede to India. So on this criteria or plebiscite or a referendum on 20th February 1948, the Junagadh became the part of the India, and this is the controversial issue still, because some politicians, some scholars, even the Pakistan is raising issue that the accession of Junagadh was illegal. But your political science books mention that on 20th of February 1948, the plebiscite was done in Junagadh, and finally the people of Junagadh voted in favor of India, and Indian accession was accepted, and Junagadh became the part of India in February 1948. Dear students, what is real or behind the curtains, it is still a controversial issue, but your political science books mention that on 20th February 1948, the plebiscite was done, and the majority of the people voted in favor of India. Thus, the Junagadh became the part of India. Dear students, I am repeating the things. There were two types of states in India. The princely status, one the direct British control princely status, another the Indian princely status. Indian princely states were those states that were ruled by Indian princes. They were less or more independent. Junagadh was a princely state in Gujarat, but it was ruled by Muslim Babi dynasty in British India. And when partition plan was hit, 1947, it was ruled by a Muslim ruler, but the majority of the people were Hindus. Though the ruler of the Junagadh had announced that I had acceded to Pakistan, but it went against the wills of the people, and finally Indian government went there, took the administration of the state, and a plebiscite was done on 20th of February 1948, in which the people voted in favor of India. Thus, Junagadh became the part of India. It is all about the accession of Junagadh to India. Dear students, remember this partition plan when was hit, it took the religious color, and Junagadh was a princely state where 80% was Hindus, but the Nawab, the ruler there was a Muslim. So the plebiscite was done according to your political science books on 20th February 1948, and finally it became the part of India in 1948. Dear students, it's all about this plebiscite. It's all about the accession of Junagadh. If any question strikes your mind after watching this video, you can call me on my number that's already in your possession. And when you post your query by WhatsApping or by calling, your query or confusion shall be cleared within short duration of time. But before leaving the class, I am advising you to see these things on your available political science reference books so that you may grasp the concept well. It is pandemic moving here around. It is putting pressure, it is mounting pressure, it is putting life at risk. Better is to leave, better is to be in home on confinement and prepare the things and also defeat the COVID-19 infection. Thanks. Be balanced.